Hi everyone, it's Eric from ecotman12.blogspot.com and I've got a very exciting unboxing today. This is the Apple 15-inch MacBook Pro. Now I've been a Windows user for 15 years of my life now, and I was taught the basics on how to use Windows from my dad. Well, one of the reasons I wanted to buy a Mac is so that I can teach myself a brand new computer operating system from the get-go. So let's get this laptop unboxed. Now I went for the base 15-inch model instead of the Retina MacBook Pro because I have used both in the store, and the Retina has a fantastic screen, but you do lose some fluidity of the operating system due to the insanely high resolution, much like we got with the Nexus 10. So I decided to pay less and get the 15-inch MacBook Pro, which I will be upgrading to 16GB of RAM and a 512GB solid-state drive in a future video. Okay, so let's open the box to reveal the laptop. Wow. Normally people say that the MacBook looks great when it's just sitting in the box, and I think normally I thought they are just exaggerating, but when you unbox this in person it looks absolutely amazing and really special the way it's presented to you when you open the box. Okay, so let's take it out of the box and... ooh, it seems a lot heavier than I expected. Maybe it's just first impressions and I will get used to it, but it's quite a lot heavier than I expected. So let's put the laptop off to the side and take a closer look at that in a minute. Let's take a look at what else you get in the box. Not much as usual in typical Apple style. So you get the power brick, which has the original MagSafe connector at the end. I much prefer the design of this MagSafe connector over the second one. It's much more comfortable to connect into your machine no matter what your sitting position. Next up we have Designed by Apple in California. Inside we have Hello, which is a quick start guide, MacBook Pro, Apple stickers, and a cleaning cloth to clean the fingerprint magnet screen. Okay, let's put that back. And let's see what's in this portion of the box. We get the power cable with a 3-pin plug on one end, and on the other end is the connector that slots into the power brick I showed you a little earlier. And finally, we have a 3-pin UK plug, which is a more portable way of charging the laptop. So that's everything inside the box, but this needs to be addressed. I am really annoyed that Apple did not include anything else in the box. I mean, come on, we pay a premium for a laptop like this, and Apple should at least include maybe a Magic Mouse or an Apple Remote or a Thunderbolt to HDMI adapter, as this laptop still did not get a dedicated HDMI port, which is absolutely pitiful. That's my little rant out of the way, but Apple should give us something a little more inside the box. Anyway, let's move the box out of the way, and let's take a look at the 15-inch MacBook Pro. It looks very sleek in its glossy wrapping, and I'm still quite shocked at the heavier weight of it, but maybe I will get used to it later. Okay, so let's take the MacBook out of the plastic wrapping. I do hope you can see this. Okay. Oh, that's not very clean, is it? There you go. The laptop feels like it's made of a superb build quality. What am I talking about? It's aluminium, so of course it's going to have a great build quality. The metal is really cold, so that gives you the extra feeling that it's metal you are holding. Okay, let's take a look at the side. You have all the ports here, and I do think it's a bit strange that all the ports are on one side, but then again I doubt they would be able to fit any on the other side, as the optical drive almost takes up the entire right profile. You also get this LED battery indicator, which tells you how much charge is in the MacBook Pro. A nice little touch, as this was later removed in the Retina MacBook Pro. Okay, that's enough of my rambling. Let's for the first time open the 15-inch MacBook Pro. Wow, it just looks absolutely fantastic in person. Really nice keyboard as well. You watching this on video does not replicate the unboxing experience. It's something you've got to experience in order to really appreciate it. Okay, so let's position the camera so then we can remove the protective cloth on the screen. There is the gorgeous looking screen. I would suggest that you make the most out of the screen looking this great, as it will collect loads of fingerprints and dust very quickly. Okay, so let's boot up the laptop and we'll go through the setup procedure. Now whilst this is booting up, I will just let you know that I purchased this laptop from John Lewis, and I brought it from them because they are known for fantastic customer service, and many laptops on their site, including this one, come with a free 3-year guarantee, so I don't even need to pay the extra price for AppleCare, and I am safe with the fantastic customer service from John Lewis. It's also a funny story how I received it, but I will tell you that in a future vlog video, so check back for that. So this is the base 15-inch MacBook Pro that has a 1440 by 900 screen resolution, Intel HD graphics 4000, and it also comes with a 512MB of dedicated graphics memory. 4 gigs of RAM, which I intend to upgrade to 16 gigabytes myself at a later date, and it also comes with a 500 gigabyte 5400 RPM hard drive, which again I intend to upgrade myself to a 512 gigabyte solid state drive. Okay, it's time to set up the computer. Let's select English. And we'll click United Kingdom. British keyboard. And now I'm going to have to log into my Wi-Fi network, and since you can't see the keyboard, I will just put the password in without having to skip this section of the video. Okay, what's next? Transfer information to this Mac. We'll just click Not Now. Yes, let's enable location services. Next. Apple ID. Okay, this part of the video I'm going to have to cut out as I don't want to divulge my email address. Okay, that's my Apple ID in. Now it's just talking about terms and conditions, and unless you want a completely inaccessible laptop, you will click Agree. No, I don't want to set up iCloud. Now it's just asking me to set up my time zone, and it's got it way off. I will just click Set Time Zone automatically. And it's picked me up. Keep up to date with latest Apple information. No, I will find out well before they email me. Let's just click Continue. The setup is complete, and it seems we're ready to go. Wow, this screen looks really nice, very vibrant and colourful. Just because the Retina screen is out doesn't mean this one is obsolete. The dock looks too big, but I'll change that in a minute. Updates in the App Store already? Well, that's a bit of a warm Windows welcome right there. Okay, so let's just quickly go into System Preferences and change a few settings. Okay, so let's change the size and magnification of the dock, and let's get it just right here. Needs a little more adjusting. There, that looks great. And I'm also just going to show you that the resolution is 1440 by 900, and you can change it to a lower setting if you so choose. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see all of you in the next one.